Hi, let's start with the in-depth review of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. If I say something is good or bad, I should say in comparison to what. That's why I use some other earbuds and a Bose headphone that you will be surprised in the conclusion after seeing the results. The following topics will be shown in my video: inserting and the fit, comfort and use for a long period of time, outdoor activity and how well it stays in the ear, pairing with Samsung and other cell phones, the software and the features, active noise cancelling, sound quality, testing microphone or phone call quality, charging and battery life. Conclusion. Welcome to Timelessness. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Inserting the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro in the ear is very easy, and its software also gives you an instruction on how to insert the buds. Next, you can use the earbud fit test to be sure of getting the best sound and active noise cancelling. Inserting the Galaxy Buds Live is more complicated, and their position in the ear is weird. Galaxy Buds Plus can be inserted easily, and it needs a rotation at the end. About the fit of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, as it becomes 15% smaller and also lighter than its predecessor, it is very comfortable and you can use it for longer periods without noticing it in your ears. Compared to Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, the fit of Galaxy Live is not that comfortable, since you put the earbuds themselves in your ears, not the ear tip. And as it is harder than flexible ear tips, in long-term use it will hurt your ears. Galaxy Buds Plus is bigger and bulkier than the other two buds, and you can feel that in your ears. Although because of the edge of the buds, after rotating, it assures you that the buds will not fall out of your ears. About falling out of buds, I have tried the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro in different situations and did my best to make them fall out of my ears, but it didn't happen. They won't fall out of your ears without any doubt, especially with the additional ear tips in the box so that you can choose the best size for the perfect fit in your ears. The good news for the people who want to use it for outdoor use, Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is IPX7 rated, which assures you to use it in the rain. It can be submerged in up to 3 feet of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. I also checked the Galaxy Buds Live in different situations to see if they fall out. They don't fall out of ears either. However, the people who want to use it outside should keep in mind that Galaxy Buds Live is IPX2 rated, meaning that it has only resistance against light rain and minor splashes. For sure, I also tested the Galaxy Buds Plus to whether it falls out of the ears, and the answer is no. It has a very firm fit in the ears, and with the additional ear tips it would be impossible to fall out. Same as Galaxy Buds Live, Galaxy Buds Plus is IPX2 rated, and it is not a reliable choice to use it in heavy rain. Pairing the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro with Samsung phones and tablets is a piece of cake. You just need to open the charger case and the phone automatically detects the device. You just need to tap connect and then your earbuds will be paired and automatically your phone will be download the Galaxy wearable application. After giving some access to the application, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro Manager will be downloaded automatically. And then you can give access to the calendar, phone calls, contacts, SMS and media to the Buds 2 Pro Manager. And you are all set. Pairing the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro with non-Samsung phones and tablets is also easy but needs one extra step. When you open the charging case, the phone won't detect the device automatically. Then you have to put the earbuds in the case and touch and hold both earbuds for 3 seconds until the light starts blinking red, green and blue. Then in the Bluetooth section you can see the new device being ready to be paired. About the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro software, you have 3 options between active noise cancelling on, off, or ambient sound. There is a very interesting feature called Voice Detect, which detects your talking, reduces the sound and turns the ambient sound on, letting you hear everything around you. In the earbud settings, you can access the equalizer, giving you options between normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. My favorite one is the bass boost. In the labs, you can activate two other handy features like double tap earbud edge. 360 audio is also a very nice feature that is only available for Samsung phones and tablets. Let's talk about active noise cancelling in Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. To test it, I went to a crowded cafe like Starbucks. If there were no other earbuds, you would not appreciate how well it works. Just to give you an idea, in this comparison, if you rate all the received sounds from the environment as 100%, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro can cancel 65% of this sound. While it's so tiny and compact, it performs very well. Galaxy Buds Live had a very weak performance in this section in comparison to Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. It just made some counter noise to cancel the environmental noise, which was not very effective. To give you an idea, it could cancel 35% of the surrounding sound. Galaxy Buds Plus, however, has no active noise cancelling, but as it has a very good fit in the ears, thanks to the ear tips being inserted deep into the ears, it can make a good isolation to reduce the noise. In this part of review, I used Bose Noise Canceling Headphones 700, which is one of the best headphones regarding active noise cancelling and sound quality. To be honest, I was shocked when I saw it has a little difference in performance in comparison to Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I don't want to say it performs weakly, I want to say how the tiny Galaxy Buds 2 Pro performs well. After the active noise cancelling part, this is another part that will surprise you how well Galaxy Buds 2 Pro performs. It delivers not only a very loud sound at its highest volume, but also gives you a very clear, detailed, and high quality sound. In the equalizer that I showed you earlier in the software section in this video, if the setting is set to normal, the bass is nice and acceptable. But if you change it to the bass boost, you will be satisfied with its great and high quality bass. Galaxy Buds Live has the loudest sound and the highest bass in my comparison among the other earbuds and headphones I have tested. But I should mention this loud sound is not a good quality one, as you will hear a lot of distortion. Galaxy Buds Plus has the lowest sound and least bass in its highest volume, but its sound quality is something between Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and Buds Live. It has a better sound quality than Buds Live and worse sound quality in comparison to Buds 2 Pro. The surprising part is here after comparing the sound quality with Bose Noise Canceling 700. The sound quality is good but comparable to the Buds 2 Pro and maybe even not better. Its loudest volume level is less than Buds 2 Pro and Live, and also even its bass is less than Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. This is the microphone test on Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. You can now have an idea how it sounds on a phone call. This is the microphone test on Galaxy Buds Live. You can now have an idea how it sounds on a phone call. This is the microphone test on Galaxy Buds Plus. You can now have an idea how it sounds on a phone call. This is the microphone test on Galaxy Bose Noise Canceling Headphones. You can now have an idea how it sounds on a phone call. You can charge Buds 2 Pro wirelessly, as I have shown here, using my cell phone as a wireless charger, or you can charge it via USB Type-C cable, which takes much less time to fully charge the case and earbuds. Full charge with cable took around 80 minutes. The battery in my usage lasted around 4.5 hours while ANC on, and when I turned it off, it lasted around 6 hours and 20 minutes with a 60 to 70% volume level. In conclusion, although Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is compact and tiny compared to other professional headphones like Bose Noise Canceling Headphones 700, its performance can surprise you and compete in many fields like sound quality and active noise cancelling. It has a comfortable in-ear fit, acceptable battery life, great software with handy features, and I can tell, except for phone call quality, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro has improved significantly in many areas. So I think it is one of the best earbuds in the market to buy. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.